So the company Telesin's kindly sent me out the Metal Cage Combo for the Action 5 Pro. This will also fit the Action 3 and 4. And so I thought it'd be a great idea to compare the other cages which I've got. The one on the left here is the multifunctional cage, also by Telesin. We've just gone over the one in the middle, the Metal Cage Combo by Telesin. And the one on the far right here, this is the standard one which comes with the DJI Action 5 Pro. So first of all, let's get the Metal Cage Combo out and take a closer look at it. Here we go. So to open the cage, you just got this blue toggle at the side. Press that down, the cage opens up. And with the Action 5, just make sure the USB compartment goes in first. That'll slide all the way to the end, and that just clips on top. And that's nice and secure. And as you can see, that really is going to protect the Action 5 inside of there. If you go to drop that, that's going to take some knocks and bangs, no problem. It's a robust camera anyway, but this has just made it even better. So on the bottom here, you've got your 1/4" thread mount, so you can attach that to tripods and selfie sticks and any other kind of accessory there. It's also compatible with these DJI clamps. They just attach straight on there. And now that'll be good to shoot in portrait mode. You can just simply unattach that, clips into the bottom position, and then you've got landscape mode. And what's great about this cage from the others which I'll show you shortly, you don't have to take it actually out of the cage at all, because you'll easily be able to get to the USB charging port. You've got your quick shot button, and this just pushes down onto your shooting button there. And then the great thing about this one is you'll be able to change batteries as well. So that's just quick access to change the battery, which is an upgraded feature from the multifunctional one, which I'll show you shortly. And on top it's got the cold mount shoe. Again, that's going to be great to attach a light or a microphone. I just happen to have both of those with me now to show you. So I've got the DJI Wireless Mic 2 here just to demonstrate how it fits on the cold shoe. That's just going to slot straight in there, but the microphone's only going to be able to be facing towards you as you're shooting away from you. So you're not going to be able to attach the microphone in a vlogging style. There's just nowhere to attach this. On the other one, we've got a cold shoe mount on the side and on the top, and you can attach it facing away from you or towards you on both sides. But all in all, this is a solid, well-made cage. And then if you want to attach the biggest light in the entire universe, it's a bit overkill, but I don't have a small one, that just slots straight on top of there as well. So that's real handy. So now let's just compare this metal combo cage with the other two cages. Just get this out of here. So now we've just reviewed and tested this one. Let's go over to the other Telesin cage. Now this is the multifunctional one. And this one, as you'll see, you can do a lot more with, but the restriction on this is you can't change the battery. So I can see what Telesin's done here with this one. They've upgraded it, but you've only got one cold shoe. So let's just put the Action 5 inside of here. Just a little toggle on top. Now this time the Action 5 Pro goes in with the battery compartment first. That slides all the way to the end and just clips into place. And as you can see, you can't access the battery port there. But that's not a problem at all, because the battery life in these 1950 milliamps, they just last a really long time. So the difference with this multifunctional cage from the combo cage, as I've said before, is that you've got two cold shoe mounts here. So you can fit this over the top large light there, and also you can slide in your microphone. So as you can see on this cage, you can have a light and your microphone at the same time. And also you can get that microphone facing away from you, or simply towards you. So this multifunctional case, I would say, is a lot more versatile than the combo one. And then finally, let's take it out the multifunctional cage and put it in the original one which DJI provides. So we all know the one that DJI provides is just a quick catch there, and this is going to slot in a frontwards position. Now this straightaway isn't as good as either one of these Telesin ones. Sorry to say that, DJI, but it's true. Because on this standard cage, you can't swap battery unless you take it out of here, although it's not a big job. We're just comparing these here. You will be able to get to the charging port there, so that's not a problem. You've got access to the quick shot button on the side and also the power button on top, and you can clearly see the screen. And you'll also be able to mount this in the portrait position, and again, just like the other two, in the landscape position as well. So if I was to choose just one of these cages going forward, I would always go for the multifunctional one. Although you can't get to the battery compartment like you can on the metal combo cage, it's the cold shoe mounts which do it for me, as you've got two there and you can put the microphone on either way. So if I was to purchase any of these, I'd be going for the multifunctional cage by Telesin first, the metal cage combo in second place, and then in last place, sorry DJI, but your standard cage. So if you're interested in buying this metal combo cage from Telesin, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there you'll be able to receive 10% off when you enter the coupon code. So for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel, there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.